A piece of someone's charger cord broke off right into the charging port. Oh no. Well, anyway, guys, it's my job to get out of this debacle. Let's see if we can fix the situation up. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using my needle nose tweezers to very gently try to reposition that piece of the stuck charger out of that charging port. You don't want to pry too hard on there because there's a possibility of potentially damaging some of those pins inside the port. So I want to be very careful when I extract that. All right, very carefully, and don't want damaging the pins. Oh my, there's a problem right there. Let's plug. All right, we got it. Yup. Okay, nice.